52. In Mark chapter 5, verse 25, we read about the woman with the issue of blood. This issue lasted for 12 years. She spent all she had, even got worse. And when we break this story down, we often touch on the fact that the problem lasted so long, or that she was bold enough to step out and touch Jesus. Sometimes we get really deep and notice the fact that her healing was never dependent on if Jesus wanted to do it or not, but did she have the faith to reach for him? But one of the things we highlight the least in this story is that though this woman was willing to break cultural and societal rules to reach out and touch the hem of his garment to be healed, how many people with issues lasting days, weeks, months, years walk right past Jesus, not stopping, thinking to reach out and touch him? Group 52, our prayer this week should be, Lord, give me grace to notice when you pass by. Give me grace to see the answer when you send it my way. Because far too often we question, will God fix my issue? Is he willing to fix my issue? All the while missing when he sends the answer right past us. Group 52, keep your eyes open for the grace of God and have the best week of your life.